Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can create or upload digital product on system.io. So guys, what you have to do, go to product and click at the first one and click create product and write here your name, your product, for example, test one, and write your description for your product and write write your currency, guys, euro, dollar, or for something, and write the poids, write your poids, and upload your media product here, guys. You have form PNG and GPG, and you have different form as you can see here, and add the tax, the product as you can see here, and you can add your description, for example, your description, your products, and enter your details here. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And here you can add the option for this value tail color as you can see here and click save. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you soon.